Okay. Okay. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if this is your first time stopping by, you're highly welcome. Please remember to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. So today I'll be doing a ring light review. Yes, I finally got my ring light, so I decided to do a review. So stay tuned and keep on watching. I got this ring light from the people that sell this camera item. I didn't actually order mine online. I think I got it for 43,000 naira with this chair right here, which this is where I'll be sitting, and then my ring light. I got the big one because they come in different sizes. So this one is the big one with the tripod stand, 43,000, and then this chair, I think 3,000 naira also. So this is how the ring light is. This is a tripod stand. Now I bought the ring light for I just remembered now. I got the ring light for 35,000 naira because I got it with other like memory card, all other stuff. So in total everything was 45,000 naira. But the ring light itself is 35,000 naira. Okay. I got it. This is crazy. Like, I'm so excited. Okay. Here's the. Okay. This is like before without the ring light, and this is crazy. Oh my god, this is crazy. I'm so excited, guys. Oh my god. Without weed. I have picture.